see it stopped short again. Well, it stopped short this time. Yeah, so you tape the back. Ooh, wow, so I'm doing this now. And make sure they're kind of like right next to each other. No! And get out of here. And grabbing a piece of tape that you can cut into two. It'll be like a good piece cut. So you measure that, not measure, like cut that, and you wrap the tape around two sides that you found that warrant, like, good. And so yeah, this is how it turns out. So this is how it turns out. The head, waka, 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 waka. I think the beak, since it's like a bird, you won't need a bottom part of the head, because it's don't hug me, I'm an idiot. What do you expect? So, yeah. Since I don't want to waste any film, I'll stop here. You know what? I won't stop here. I'll just continue. So get those two plastic parts. If the black one is like that, the same look of the eye, just flip it around. And by the way, you'll need to stretch out not too much, but kind of a lot of tape. Kind of a lot, like about this, I guess like about this much, and then cut it in the middle, like straight in the middle. Even if it just circulates, just uncirculate it and keep on cutting. So like, she's the one, only one, built like an Amazon. Oh, only one, built like an Amazon. She's the one, only one, built like an Amazon. Oh, only one, built like an Amazon. Only one, built like an Amazon. She's the one, built like an Amazon. Oh yeah, coming up. And once you're done cutting it, it should end up like, wait, let me get this stretched out correctly. Okay, they should end up like this, 2 strips of tape. So what you want to do is you get those strips of tape, matters which one you want to be on which, you just wrap one part of the tape over it. Depends which part you want which to be where. You add the strips of tape where where you want them to be.